So this is a cool little idea. I haven't seen anybody do it, but I'm not certain that someone hasn't done it. I just kind of threw it together out of some plywood and some foam that I had. All right, but it just goes on top of an ice chest, right? I have it all sealed. But then I just used a hole saw, cut out some holes that were the same width as the cup holders, and it goes in there, and now you got yourself a little bench seat, and it's pretty comfortable. That is going to go here, and that provided a bench seat. I think I might have bought this pedestal for no reason. I was originally planning on doing some kind of board system that I could take out and remove. So I would just have a board running across, and then I would have a little like 1x2 that would go right there and just kind of snap in, and then the same on this side, and it would be able to slide this way, but it's not going to move this way. But tested it out, and I don't have anything thick enough and wide enough that would support my weight out there in the middle without being supported, and I don't want to have to make it a big janky bulky piece of equipment. So I might end up doing that in here somewhere, or just using it on the next boat, because once I get this one nice, I'm gonna sell it and I'm gonna get something else and work on it. I'm gonna work my way up to a very, very nice boat.